Ooh, check out this cake. It's wonderful. I love it. Wow. Giga-Rich Polly has a nice golden piñata. Poor gal Jess, however, has a bag full of trash. Let's hit them hard. All the trash and goods are falling. Each can eat their own side of the cake. No way, it's so good. Delicious. I want it all. Nom. I love it. Can't stop, won't stop. Oh no. Birthday girl Carrie is here and looks like her cake is all eaten. That's it. Off you two go to a cake challenge. Poof! The gal pals are here and ready to roll. Check out Giga-Rich's giant popcorn. Isn't she a beauty? Wow, I have nothing. Don't fret, my darling. Grandma's here to give you some strawberry jam. Thank you, Grandma. Smells so good. Glug, glug. Tasty. I can add this to the cake and it'll be delicious. Oh no, what a bozo. What a pickle. Now I'm in a jam. Oh well. What do I do? Wait, I see cake in here. This is amazing. Yum to the max. Popcorn time. Polly has made a delicious kernel. So cute and small and buttery. Time to make some more. Beep, boop, bop. Her cake has all these colorful pieces now. I can eat these all day. Hey, hold the phone. What are you doing? What does it look like? Making more popcorn. No, no, stop! The machine is gonna blow. Protect yourselves. Ah! This hits different. But poor gal has a smart idea. Her umbrella can serve as an amazing bowl. Wow, I love it. What did you do? Isn't this amazing? Lol, you're too stiff. And here we are. Hubba Bubba Bubblegum for Giga-Rich. Lol, you have lame fish. Stinky. Poor Jess needs protection from the smell. You have to eat it. It's your turn. Time to pour the fish on the cake. Yikes, I'm going in. Here I go. Nom nom. Slurp. I don't feel so good. Let's get this out of here. I'm A-OK now. Ooh. The rich gal is excited to slice into her cake and cut out the middle. Slice it open here. And dig this out here. Yuck, don't need that. Now she can replace the Hubba Bubba Bubblegum. Nice. Magic to the max. So pretty. Our whole cake is delicious gum now. Let's have a bite. Wait, who is eating my cake? Looks like poor gal is hungry, but Polly has no mercy. Let's add some hot sauce. No one eats my cake and gets away with it. Something's starting to get hot, hot, hot. Fire! Ah! The trick backfired. For real! Look at Giga-Rich all burned. What happened to my hair? Now what do we have here? Maggots? Blue and yellow cake? Giga-Rich is snoozing, but poor gal is worried sick. I can't do maggots. I know. I'll do a switcheroo. She's busy sleeping and won't see. Looks like if you snooze, you lose is real. Ah, maggots! All right, you have to give it a try. Open wide. I can't do it. I don't want to. Giga Rich now is adding the maggots to her cake. But she's going to call for reinforcements. Her butler is going to have to eat the cake for her. He'll do anything for cash. I don't know if I can handle this. Here he goes. Nom, nom, nom. Those maggots are so yucky. Here's some more. Blah, so gross. I did it. Shudder. Now I can go for my icing. Dot, dot. Let's do a lot. Poor gal has all the colors she needs to create a certain famous friend. Huggy Wuggy. The blue and black are the base and the red lips. And the white icing, his eyes and teeth. Nice! Here I go! Num num! Wait a minute! What does that say? Polly has noticed a label switch. You lied to me! You lied! Now you're pied! You got served! Wow! Mine is so tiny! Huh, what can I do? Giga Rich, however, has an amazing dish. With her golden pop tube, she can have the whole drink. Slurp. Awesome! I know! Now I can add all these to my cake. Scoop it up real nice and smooth now. Numb. I don't feel so good. Blah. Looks like the marbles weren't edible. What? Lol. How dare you? Water balloon fight. Splash! Lols, I got you. My makeup. Whatevs. Now for my little Nutella jars. These are so good. Let's use them as paint to make a cute mini cake. I'm an artiste. Looking so cute and sweet.
Wow.
Giga Rich is busy fixing her makeup. The powder, however, makes poor gal Jess sneeze. Achoo! Now her cake is ruined. Na 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 poo poo. Empty purple cakes this round? Polly has an idea. With some magic, she can make a blender and put her golden goodies to the test. Blend it up. Now they're a gorgeous golden mix. Add it to the cake and it's so shiny and shimmery. Look at that divine glow. Ooh, that's mesmerized. I'm entranced. Hey, stay away. It's mine. I'm going in. Bang! Oh no, the chains did not become soft in the blender. Giga Rich's teeth have all fallen out. What to do? I know. Let me do a little exchange. Colorful ramen for the win. You can eat this. I can't. I know how to help Rich Polly. Let's get this yummy cake slice out. So good. And now we have our ramen blocks. Place each noodle block inside the hole we created, looking so colorful and delish. We can add some boiling water and they'll start cooking. Check it out! These noodles smell amazing. Final result, awesome sauce. My poor teeth! Here you go, pal. These noodles are soft to eat. I'll share. Really? Here, go for it. It's so good. Okay, I'll try. This is amazing. Thanks for watching, everyone. New episodes out all the time. So sub and hit that bell. Leave a like while you're at it. This is the crew, checking out. See ya!